How has lifestyle suddenly changed your life? I mean, from $500,000 to close to $6.5 million in net gain. That tells you your life has changed. I have already retired myself in terms of retired from corporate world, and I'm working for my own, investments. Life has literally changed, from night to day.
I live life on my own terms. I'm really involved with my kids, and I just have a lifestyle I couldn't possibly have if I was still doing the corporate work that I used to do.
I think it gave me confidence to invest in real estate. I mean, I bought 3 houses in less than 2 months. So,
Wow,
yeah.
awesome.
We've got a bigger picture strategy that we're building, and these are stepping stones to build us toward that path and what we're doing.
We bought an RV because we now have more time, and we go on vacations whenever we feel like it now. It's just, I don't know, it's so nice to be able to to have found a way to build wealth passively, because that's, at the end of the day, I just don't want to work for my money.
When I sat there in that 2-day presentation, it was just eye-opening. It flipped my thinking of finances on its head, and it also showcased us how to operate multifamily properties and hopefully build up a large inheritance that I can one day pass on to my children. It was just amazing.